guys, so today we're going to be making a tuna pasta bake. So before you start, make sure you wash your hands, tie your hair back and put on your apron. Then you need to measure out all the ingredients. They've all been supplied to you in little packages. So what I've done is I've just weighed them all out into separate bowls. And then you're also going to need a few pieces of equipment. So you're going to need 2 medium-sized saucepans, a deep dish about 1 inch or 2 thick, a whisk and a wooden spoon. And the first thing you need to do is make sure you preheat the oven to 180 degrees. What you're going to do is you're going to boil your kettle, about a few cups of water, and then you're going to put your pasta in your saucepan, and then you're going to add a little bit of salt, like let's say that much, and then you're going to make sure all the pasta is coated with the boiling water. And then you will need to turn the hob on and boil that for about 8 minutes. So we're going to leave that and we're going to move on to the next step, and then we'll come back to it when it's ready. And now you need to drain your pasta. And now we're going to be making the cheese sauce. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pasta and you're going to put it in your... Then you're going to add your flour. And then you're going to take your whisk and you're just going to mix them all together. So once the butter's all melted, then you're going to add in the milk. And you're going to keep whisking until it's all really thick. And it's really important that you keep whisking the entire time. So now that the milk is starting to boil, it's getting thick. So at this point, you need to turn the heat off and just keep whisking it and let it get all thick. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a handful of the cheese. Okay. And then you're just going to melt that into the mixture. So keep whisking, but make sure you've turned off the hob. And that's the sauce. And now we've got the pasta that's all been drained and cooked, and then we've got the sauce. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the sauce to the pasta. You're going to mix it all in using the wooden spoon, so it's all nice and creamy. And then you can add the tuna and some of the sweet corn, however much you really like. And then just mix that all in together. And the good thing with this dish is if you don't like tuna or sweet corn, you can put in chicken or peppers or ham. Make it suit you. So once that's all mixed in together, we're then going to take the dish and we're going to pour the pasta into the dish. So spread it evenly. And then if you take your leftover cheese and then just sprinkle an even layer all over it. And now make sure you've got your oven gloves on, and you're going to take this over up to the oven, shut the door, and then this will go in for about 15 minutes. There we go. So now we're going to be making the garlic bread. So you should have been delivered a pizza dough, some butter, and some garlic cloves, and you can use salt in it or some herbs. But for today I've got garlic powder because we don't have any garlic cloves. But what you're going to do with the garlic is you're going to chop it up really small, or you can use like a garlic crusher so that it's in really small pieces. So firstly you're going to get your dough and a rolling pin and a little bit of flour just to help you with rolling out the dough, because otherwise it will stick to the surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some flour on the side, and spread it all around, and then put my dough on top, and then sprinkle some flour on the dough and some flour onto the rolling pin. Then you can either do a rectangle or a circle, whatever you want to do. I'm going to do a circle, and you want to make sure it's not too thick, otherwise it won't cook through. So now it's all rolled out into your desired shape. I've done a massive circle. Now we're going to make the garlic butter that's going to go on top. So what you're going to want to do is, with the butter, it's going to need to be quite soft so that you can mix it like that. So I'd recommend putting it into the microwave for just about 20 to 30 seconds just to soften it up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add your garlic. So as I said, I've got the powdered garlic and I've added some herbs as well into it just for a little bit of extra flavour, which you can do. You can add salt, pepper, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just pour it into the butter, little by little, and mix it all in together. So that looks pretty good, it's all mixed up, all even. So what you're going to do is you can take a dollop of it and just pop it in the centre, and then using a butter knife just spread it evenly over the bread. Now that's all evenly spread around. If you want, it's optional, but you can add a little bit of cheese on top, a little bit of extra flavour, and just sprinkle some cheese on it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get like a baking tray or like a circle tray like this, and you're just going to transfer it over onto there, and then this will go into the oven for about 10 minutes. So yeah, this is the finished product. So we've got our tuna pasta bake and our garlic bread, and now all that's left to do is to tidy up. So if you make it, make sure you put your photos on Facebook or send them to your key worker, and I'll see you guys soon.